Multiplying with fractions and mixed numbers, item 52217. Drag the diagram that correctly models each description to the correct container. So these must be the descriptions: 1/2 of 2/3 and 1/4 of 1/2. And the diagrams are models of what's being described here. So I had to look at these diagrams for a minute and figure out what they were showing. And when I see 1/2 of 2/3, I'm looking for 1/2, I'm looking for 2/3, and I found 2/3 here. I see that this rectangle has been divided into 3 even pieces, and 2 of them are shaded blue. Now, what about the 1/2? Is this 1/2? I think it is, because there I have 2/3 shaded blue, so 2 blue squares, and 1/2 of those 2 squares is outlined in red. So I'm pretty sure that this diagram is modeling 1/2 of 2/3. So let's do the same thing with the other one. In this one, the 2/3 was shaded blue. So I'm going to look for half being shaded blue. And it looks like half of this rectangle is shaded blue, and half of this one is also shaded blue. This is more than a half shaded blue, so that's not going to be one that I drag. I have to choose between these two. So 1/4 of 1/2. They're trying to trick you here. This red rectangle is 1/4 of the whole, but it's not 1/4 of the half. If you look over here at this one, they've taken the half that is blue and then red outlined 1/4 of that half. So it's going to be this one and not the other one. Let's see what happens when we press check. Yes, this diagram correctly models the description. This diagram shows 2/3 split apart into 2 equal parts. 2/3, that didn't work. 2/3, and then, so there's 2 parts, and one of them is outlined. Next. This diagram shows 1/2 split apart into 4 equal parts.